Wartburg College is also feeling the effects of the government shutdown in their daily lives.
WTV's Zach Schultz tells us how.
The recent gridlock over the budget in Washington has caused a funding lapse for many government programs. Zach Barnes, a 2009 graduate of Wartburg, serves as a biological science technician at Yellowstone National Park. He discussed the implications of the furlough on the park.
It's really inconveniencing pretty much every aspect of what is going on in the park here, and it's really unfortunate to see that because it's letting down the American public.
Barnes also discussed the economic opportunity lost in the surrounding communities.
From my perspective, working for the National Park Service, it's pretty obvious the impacts that our parks in the United States have on our economy.
The shutdown also affected the Wartburg Career Fair. AmeriCorps, one organization that provides governmental-related services, was unable to attend the career fair. The Associate Director of Pathways for Career Services, Derek Solheim, says this was a disappointment for students.
I think if you look at it from the career fair perspective, many of our students lost an opportunity to learn about programs like AmeriCorps and VISTA. And traditionally, we have a number of students after they graduate and while they're currently in school or maybe in summer school that participate in these programs.
Barnes and Solheim both expressed hope that the leaders in Washington would come together to get the government running again. Reporting for WTV, I'm Zach Schultz.